Hi, I'm Brian Selby from Selby Knives here at Blade Show. If you have a chance to check me out on Instagram or on my website, please do so. Just wanted to share a little bit about what I brought here to Blade Show this year. This is part of my Folsom series knives. Call this the full-size Folsom. It's a 4-inch blade, 8-inch overall length. This is AEBL steel, heat and cryo treated. We've got black is the DLC coating, or diamond like carbon, if you're not familiar with that. G10 scales typically have the common tactical colors, OD green, black, coyote brown, the basics there. I also do some custom scales on these every once in a while. But these are a good seller. They come with a Kydex sheath with, try to use really good products, Blade Tech Lock, and just keep the gear on yourself whenever possible. Just try to use the best stuff. Anyways, that's my full-size Folsom.
Okay.
Been a good seller. We've got it's baby.
And they come in different finishes, I see.
Different finishes, yeah. We've got the DLC coating and the stonewash.
Okay.
So then we move down to its baby brother here. This is the Folsom necker or neck knife.
Okay.
Typically, EDC carry this on a horizontal carry on the belt like that. So just snaps right in there like that. Again, the same DLC black coating or stonewash finish. This one happens to be in Nitro V. Love the Nitro V and the AEBL steel are really similar.
Yes.
In properties, and they seem to perform really well, really well.
So you said you could also wear it as a neck knife?
Yeah, you could wear it as a neck knife, take the loops off, put it on a lanyard around your neck. I've sold some with scout carry behind the back.
Okay.
Also make a leather vertical carry loop for this. So the leather goes around, gives it a different look and style. So you can wear it vertical on the belt.
I like the modern, absolutely.
Yeah, stuff like that. Now, moving over here on the table, these are some prototypes I brought here to Blade Show. These I call again, part of the Folsom series knives because it has the same essential shape to the knife.
But it does slightly hook like the Karambit. I mean,
yeah, exactly. So I got the Warncliffe blade on there with a Karambit loop, and you can carry it forward like that or do a reverse carry.
Yeah. You're one of the first people I've seen at the show that has this style of knife here today.
Yeah, I haven't seen any with the Warncliffe on that.
No, I haven't.
Yeah. This is my Severance 4 series. This is actually the first gen Severance 4s in the A2 tool steel. So I'm phasing these out, going to a Gen 2, slightly longer handle. So it'll be 8 3/4 overall length.
What is this one now?
With a 4-inch blade.
For reference, how long is this one now?
This is 4-inch blade with a 8-inch overall length.
Okay, and
right?
You're going to what length?
8 3/4.
Okay.
So, and it's all going to be in the handle. So,
okay.
Again, these are 3/16. They'll be in Nitro V when these come out in the Gen 2. And again, we'll have an assortment of scales. I'm going to be throwing a different texture on these smooth scales, more like the texture I did on these Karambits.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
If you can see that. So I really like the feel of these.
And I like that the hook on the Karambit is not too much. There is a slight bend. You can kind of use it as your everyday, but then you have the Karambit style. It's nice.
Yeah.
It's a nice
Thank you. Got a few things coming out this fall. I've got a folder version of the necker. Call it the flipper.
Okay.
Just a small, compact flipper. It'll be a titanium frame lock with a G10 face. Be a ball bearing flipper.
Yep.
So it'll have an insert for the lockup. So it'd be a fun.
Expected this fall or
this fall? Yeah. So by Blade Show West, I should be
absolutely
debuting the
head
flipper.
out to California and do that?
Actually, I'm from California.
Okay,
I'm from Northern California. So
nice.
for me, Long Beach is about a 6-hour drive. So not too bad for me.
Very good. Well, we definitely had fun checking you out here at the Blade Show. This is definitely not a dull moment.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving us the time.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck here and good luck at Blade Show West.
Appreciate it. Thank you.